And just like that, Vlogmas is over. And I did not complete it, but that's okay. Happy New Year's to you all. Happy 2026. I pray that this year for you all will be a blessed one and that everybody is able to succeed and accomplish whatever it is that they desire. With that said, I came to Puerto Rico January 2nd, 2025. Today is January 3rd, 2026, and I have not been able to leave the island. So make sure you stay tuned for all the vlogs and everything that I'm about to bring you as my life has changed. Hello, my loves, and today was that day. I woke up and I was like, I can go for a pot of Arroz Con Salchichas. So here we are. So I'm going to be using 4 cups of medium grain rice. I have some sofrito that I made, a cup of sofrito, half a cup of cilantro, a half a cup of culantro or oregano, whatever you want to call it. And as you see, guys, I stopped cooking rice, yellow rice with tomato sauce. Is not needed. That is my achote oil that I make and I keep in that bottle. It's not needed. I've learned when I came to Puerto Rico, my parents no longer cook with it. That's my salchichon that I like, my preference. I like the taste. So nevertheless, so now I don't cook with the tomato sauce. After tasting the rice, it tastes the same. It actually tastes lighter to me. So I stopped cooking yellow rice with tomato sauce. And you're going to see at the end of the video how my rice came out. This is my dry sausage, my salchichon. Like regular sausage, it does come with a casing. So you can cut whatever amount of salchichon you're going to use, cut that off, and then remove the casing as you see me doing. Don't remove it off of the other part of your salchichon unless you're going to use it. If you're not, just leave it on. And then you can cut it to the size you prefer. I like mine on the medium side because I like to have that bite of the salchichon when I'm eating my rice. So what I did was I chopped the oil to the bottom of the pot with the salchichon so that the sausage could start releasing the oil. Then on top of that, I start building my flavor. So I add my beans, I add my sofrito. I'm going to add some of my cilantro, culantro, into that, and then I start adding my seasonings, my onion powder, garlic powder, and oregano. After giving that a good mix, and then I introduce the rice into the pot with everything that's already cooking and the seasoning and in the salchichon. Adding the rice, giving everything a good mix, and then I'm adding water to my rice. And make sure that you do that spoon test because you always want to make sure that the spoon is standing up loosely in the middle of your pot of rice. Then I just topped off the rest of my cilantro, culantro, oregano into the rice, giving it a good mix. Then I'm going to allow this to cook for maybe about 30 to 40 minutes depending on your stove. Now look at that. You see that? No tomato sauce at all added in the rice. And I feel like the rice, the grains are a lot looser. The rice is I don't know, it's a lot lighter. So I don't even use tomato sauce when I make yellow rice. Not even when I do arroz con gandules. Look at that. This rice was delicious. This is Paul's plate that I'm picking through with a fork, but it was so good that he forgave me. So that's the rice, some chuleta frita, fried pork chops, and of course, aguacate. Enjoy.